If you just came in, can you please state your name?
It's Whitfield.
Court calls the case, People versus Frank Cheney.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Bridget Coombs on behalf of Mr. Cheney. Mr. Cheney, if you're present, if you could unmute, turn on your camera and state your name in full.
Frank Adam Cheney Jr.
Your Honor, this is a pretrial event or a pretrial date. I did have an opportunity to speak to the client, review all evidence, defenses that he may have, as well as plea offers extended in the case. At this time, my client would like to accept a plea to allow added count of allowing an ineligible driver to drive.
Based upon that, Your Honor, I'd move to add a count 2 of MCL 257-326. Defendants can plead guilty to that. And of course, if you accept it, I'd move to dismiss the original charge.
Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
State your name, please.
Frank Adam Cheney Jr.
All right, sir, it is this court's, you can put your hand down. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of allowing an ineligible driver to operate a motor vehicle. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty, sir.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
Because of that, you're giving up certain rights. You're giving up your right to call witnesses to speak to you at trial or to have this court compel their attendance. You're giving up your right to see, hear, and question all witnesses against you at trial. You're also giving up your right to be a witness for yourself or to remain silent, not have that silence used against you. And you're giving up your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, sir.
You're doing this voluntarily,
Yes, sir.
of your own free will,
Yes, sir.
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes, sir.
All right. On July 30th, 2023, at the location of Ellsworth Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, did you have custody or control of a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did you allow somebody who was otherwise ineligible to operate that motor vehicle?
No, sir.
Well, let me ask you this. Did you allow somebody who was otherwise ineligible to operate that motor vehicle, and that might include yourself?
No, sir.
Well, counsel?
So we can, if I can try to jump into to Kira. Mr. Cheney, were you operating a motor vehicle at that time whenever you were ineligible to drive?
What's that?
Were you operating a motor vehicle at that time when you were ineligible to drive?
Yeah.
And you allowed yourself to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Counsel, have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, we got there finally.
Ms. Kuhn, have I complied with the court rule?
Yes, it's sufficient for me. Thank you.
All right. Court will accept the defendant's plea to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Mr. Cheney, anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
No, sir.
All right. Fines and cost of $250. I'll suspend 90 days in jail. When can you get that paid, sir?
I can pay it. I'll pay it.
Okay, when do you think you can get that done?
Can I have a couple weeks, please?
All right. Do you need more time than that, or are you going to be able to do it in that time?
More time would be thankful.
All right. Hold on, Mr. Cheney. What's wrong, bud?
I made a mistake.
I'm sorry, what?
I made the mistake.
Okay. It's all right. Here's what we'll do. All right. How about I give you to the end of November to get that into me, okay?
Yes.
All right. November 30th, 2023. All right, get that paid. And if you have a problem paying it, just let us know, okay? We'll take care of it. We'll do something, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All righty. Mr. Cheney, you take care of yourself. Have a great day.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I go?
No problem. No problem. Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Thomas Elkins.
Counter, it's